We're Karen and Dave Watts from Watts on Wheels, and we're full-time RVers since December 2017, and we have a membership with 1,000 Trails and their Trails collection, and we went to Lake Conroe RV Park. This is the map of Lake Conroe, and you enter over here, and right off to the right they have quite a few new, I think there's like 67 new sites. Brand new, all concrete, really nice. You'll see it in the video. They got a phase 2 going on over here that's brand new, and these are for park models. And then you've got a section over here on the right. And a lot of 3050 amp in here. Most everything has power and water and sewer. Then you've got some pull-throughs, but keep in mind these pull-throughs are double-sided, so either you're with a buddy or you hope nobody comes in right next door to you because you'd be real close on one side. And then this is all greenery along the back side. We are in 58, so we've kind of got like a corner spot, so it's pretty wide for us. Then you've got the lake down here, and they've got docks. And they rent out boats. This section here is for annuals, although there are annuals throughout other areas in the park. You've got these little boxes here are cabins. A lot of them are new. They've got a dog park and tennis court, pickleball, mini golf, pool, and hot tub. They got a brand new office. It's very pretty. They got a big open pavilion, and that's the activity center. So that's the setup and their map at Lake Conroe. So this is the entrance to 1,000 Trails Lake Conroe. You're coming in to register. You're going to go to the right of the sign and come up to the little shack here, the Ranger Shack. They're going to give you your package, your numbers. Every Tuesday the code changes, so for the gate to go up, and go to the new section first.
I have no idea.
So these all have concrete slabs, full service, back ends with a few pull-throughs. This is nice over here. There's like 80 new ones, 87 new ones, something like that. Putting in phase 2 of park models. This is phase 1. They're sold out, so they're going into phase 2 for those who want to live here all the time.
A little house.
It's a little house, double wides. When you come through, off to the left is a wash station and a dump station. And this is a pay.
It's $1 for 4 minutes, and then you just keep pumping quarters.
Okay.
How many minutes you're gonna need?
Okay. And then they've got vacuum
Vacuum and air.
This section is before you get to the activity center or the office. once you come out of the Ranger shop, Ranger House, you got your activity center with more tennis courts and basketball. Have a little cafe, large gathering area, vending machines, meetings. Hi. And there's your billiard room with one pool table. And restrooms.
French fries.
Oh, it does.
And there's a lunch menu.
Partly, I think, because it's little now, the whole like in-house this burger. And I think that could be it.
Heading out to the pavilion. And there's your tennis. I think that one's pickleball. And your mini golf. Right next door is the brand new office. On the side of the pool along the road where the activity center is, they have these cabanas that you can sit at along with...
TVs in them.
Do they? Oh yeah, they got TVs in them. And they have a fire pit. Curtains, you can close them up. They have a private little party right there. They also have these cabins. That's the best way to go. Been too chilly to go swimming here. Very pretty pool. This is all brand new. And there's the hot tub. Hot tub is open from 9 to 10 and it's only for adults. And this is the shower house. Very pretty. Got the shower house. This is the bathroom. Showers are outside before you go in the pool. Guess who?
Isn't that Watts on Wheels?
That's Watts on Wheels.
What are they doing here?
No, they got everything in that little slot. How about that? Over down to the water. There's the lake. It's a good sized lake. It's a big lake, yeah. It is a big lake. Fish cleaning station. Pavilions you can go on. Oh, they got the launch right here as well. And then they got a little marina where some people have their pontoons. So a funny thing happened to Dave. He was on his Spyder and he was leaving the park and he was at the ranger station and he was flagged down and they said, there's a guy here that wants to meet you. And he wanted to know if he could come over to see our setup with our rig. Come to find out, his daughter saw us turning down Thousand Trails Road to come into the park, had taken pictures of our rig out on the road and showed them to his father. And his name was Dick. And Dick has two Spyders, him and his wife Julia, and they wanted to go full-time RVing and was trying to figure out how they might be able to transport them. So he came to the park to try to see if he could locate us, and he came over to check everything out, and we became really good friends. He told us about Drifter's Ice House in Richards, Texas, and so Dave and I took a ride over there one day and had a brisket sandwich, which was good. So Dick and Julia invited us to meet their family out for dinner one night. We went to 242 Pub and Grill and got on Tuesday night where you get 20 wings for $10. And then we ended up going biking together. The four of us Spyders went traveling around. They took us to a couple of historical areas. We also went out to eat in multiple places. We went to Holder's, which was a rustic dining area. We had hamburgers there. And then we also traveled to the Fanthorpe Inn, which was built in 1834. And they also took us to the Sam Houston statue. We went for breakfast one day at Fish Ponds Restaurant. They were very crowded. They have a really good breakfast, good food there. And it was great meeting them. They invited us over to their home. We had a cookout. We watched the Georgia Bulldogs get beat up by Alabama. And look forward to seeing in the future and hope they can figure out their configuration to be able to do what we're doing and travel with their Spyders.